This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be doing a swirl swipe. I call it a vortex swipe because it kind of looks like it's flowing in. So our colors for today are Pearlescent White, and that's a Sonja product. Hot Cinnamon, which is a ColorArte Primary Elements pigment. Southern Ocean Blue, and that's by Matisse. And Submarine by TLT. All of the paints and brands will be in the description below. Our cell activator for today is titanium white, and that's Amsterdam, mixed with 3 parts Australian Floetrol. Pillow paint going down. This is Glitten Essentials in Eggshell. Okay, I'll pick up the paint now, and let's start layering it onto the surface. First down is Southern Ocean Blue. Spread it around a little bit. Not necessarily looking for all in one place. I want it to be cover a little bit more of the surface. Next down is Pearlescent White. Okay, next down is Submarine, and this is a nod to the Beatles tune, Yellow Submarine. TLP colors are probably my favorite. And a little bit more of the Pearlescent White. And finally, the Hot Cinnamon. This is a ColorArte pigment, ColorArte Primary Elements pigment. Probably the most dynamic red that I have in my entire box. Spread it out just a little bit. And you'll see in just a second what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up a tool. I'm going to swipe across this. I'm going to clean up my mess. Decisions. Okay, I got my small paddle swiping tool. I'm going to put my cell activator on the back of this tool. Flip it over and swipe in a circular motion. Give you a closer look as the cells start to open up. That's where the magic happens. My favorite part. Okay, I picked up my straw, and I'm going to blow out a few places that needed some encouragement to create some cells. Okay, I'm looking, give it a small spin. And I'm picking up my skewer, and I'm going to make a swirl from the middle. Just a little modification. Now it's just a matter of, after popping some bubbles, spinning it out and getting my surface covered. I really enjoy these 4x4 tiles because it's fast and you can try a lot of different styles and different techniques. And if you don't like it, it's just a little bit of paint, you just scrape it off and do it again. As I always say, it's just paint. Now I'm using the Sheleeartstyle of painting. I took a course a year ago, October, and it's opened my eyes up to a lot of different ways and a lot of different techniques. And I really have enjoyed it. Let's take a closer look at it. You can see the cells in this. Yeah, I really did enjoy this piece. Let's go down for a flyover. enjoyed today, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos that I'll put out. I want to thank you very much for being here. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye now.